equals. So someone just found 500 plus childhood gameplay videos gathering digital dust and now wants to unleash them on YouTube. But uploading each one with titles and descriptions sounds about as fun as watching paint dry. I mean, who really has time for manual uploads when you could binge watch cat videos instead? Luckily, the Reddit hive mind suggests there are tools to automate this grind. Think software that lets you pick a video and then does the heavy lifting. Uploading, title snatching from the file info, even slapping on descriptions, so you can drop 1 or 2 vids a day without blinking an eye. Tools like YouTube's own API or automation platforms like Zapier and Integromat get name-dropped. They hook up your files to YouTube like a content conveyor belt. But here's the kicker. Big tech isn't exactly handing out automation tools with a smile and a gold star. You gotta wrestle AP dodgy permissions, and sometimes pay for premium features. Because of course. So, are you ready to outsource your nostalgia, uploading to bots, or is this just the start of your robot overlords demanding commentary tracks? Let me know. What's your go-to hack for automating boring tasks?